Welcome everybody. Welcome to the only channel where you can actually learn a new language successfully in a short period of time. Why is that? Our channel is committed to teaching you until you master reading, writing, and even speaking what I consider to be the easiest language on the planet. Yes, I said it. Haitian Creole is the easiest language ever, at least according to me. Regardless of what other sources say, there is no other language that uses the Latin-rooted alphabet that is easier to learn than our mother tongue. And that is why I am inviting all of you to take your seats, subscribe, comment, and share the love. Je parle français. I speak French as a second language. And hablo un poquito de español. I speak a little bit of Spanish. Thus, English is my third language. And no matter how well or not I speak that language, it will always remain a very hard language to learn. And now, why would someone be interested in learning how to speak Haitian Creole? What about the idea that there is a language out there that everybody in the world can speak it together? Isn't that sounds amazing? This is the context of the channel. And it's already spreading in Latin America with the migration of so many Asian people. And lots of Franco-English speakers actually speak Haitian Creole and have great connections to the tropical island. Haiti is nonetheless a very beautiful country who's constantly facing some political crisis. So, knowing how to speak Haitian will not only make you aware of its reality, but will also connect you to its beautiful great story, which seems to be the curse. I'm not here to speak about Haiti, so let's get right on it. There is one fundamental reason why I call Haitian Creole the easiest language to learn. Once you are familiar with the phonetic alphabet, you will be able to read any word written in Haitian. Strictly put, rule number one is all letter sounds count. All letter sounds count. For example, in English we say head. In Spanish we say cabeza. And in Creole we say tête. Tête. Eh. Eh. Tête. Another example, in English we say to know. In Spanish, saber. And in Creole we say connaît. Connaît. On. En. On. En. Connaît. Another example, we say crown in English, and in Spanish we say corona, and in Creole we say couronne. Couronne. U. O. Couronne. So on this channel, you will find reading Creole as well as speaking the language could have been not easier. After learning the basics, you will be able to make sentences with extreme facility. All that will be needed at the end is learning new vocabularies day by day. So let's start with the alphabet. There are many letter combinations that compose this alphabet. But the most essential part is it is based on the Latin rooted letters that we all know of. Let's review them together. This is lesson 1. Esta es la lección 1. Ça, c'est leçon 1. As you say A, B, C, we don't say that in Creole. It goes this way. A. A. Un. Un. An. An. Un. Un. B. B. In Creole, the letter C never stands alone to be a letter by itself. It always goes with the letter H, as in CH, and we say CH. CH. D. D. E. 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 N. 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 F. F. G. 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 I. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. N. 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 O. O. And we have O. O. On. On. We also have on. On. And then also on. On. It is a combination of on and on. U. U. And we also have un. Un. It is a combination of u and un. P. P. R. R. S. S. T. T. V. V. W. W. Y. Y. Z. Z. Well, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Merci d'eske ou tap gade. We really value your time. I promise it will be very fun and interesting. So, see you next time for lesson 2. Remember the goal. Then share, subscribe, also comment. This is very important to me. Bye-bye.
Moun yo ki ba abone ya, se kopon yo ba kopon sa ki abone ya. Abone se subscribe. Lewe si rating la, se pou peze, apre sa ou deja abone. Apre sa wap wè tout lot an video ki poste ya. Bye guys, I love you. Maman. See you in the next video.